Yes guys, we are back today with some Evo action. So guys, today we are back over at AP Tuning with Gary because we are getting some work done to the Evo because it's time to get it back on the road. And today we have a big visual mod going on the car. So we brought the car down to Gary to get a service done because with the Mini, I don't mind doing a lot of the work myself, but with the Evo, I don't want to break it. And we are also here discussing a few things that might be happening to this car moving forward. But today we're having a few little things changed on the car. We're going to have a look at the battery and whether we should relocate this because you see this crustiness going on here. It's just a problem. We were looking at changing these over to the black ones, but there might be some interesting stuff happening with the engine in the future, and that is a might. It's not a definite, it's a maybe, but we're going to be having a chat about that today. And then there's a few other bits and bobs we need to get sorted on the car. Now, I've also been trying to fit a number plate in a different way because I got one of these magnetic ones, because the issue with the Evo is that I like to stick the number plate on to the bracket holder instead of screwing it on. But the problem is every time you want to then take the bracket off, you have to essentially peel this off, and it's just a ball ache. So I looked to get a magnetic one, and I'm just trying to work out fitting those magnets so that essentially wind doesn't get under it and then make the thing fly off down the road, which obviously we don't want. So just trying to work with that as well, make my life easier if we need to ever take the bumper off. So that is also something I'm just trying to work on today as well with the car. But like I say, it's mainly service, get the car on the road, and then like I say, we have a big visual mod today as well. Finally, one other thing actually as well is that we're having to look at the actuator on the driver's door because the central locking seems to have not worked, or be working, should we say, for a while. And we think we need a new slave for the clutch because basically when I'm driving it for about 30-40 minutes, the top part of the clutch just disappears. It's not that the clutch needs bleeding. We've done that. We've looked at that. We looked at that a lot last year and it hasn't resolved it. So we think we need a new slave for the clutch as well. So guys, it has been insanely stressful for the past 3 or 4 hours. So let me show you the new addition to the car. We have a big wing. Yes, guys, we have gone full race mode with the Evo because we have fitted an APR Performance GTC 300 wing. Now, let me tell you, this has been insanely stressful because when I bought this wing secondhand, I thought it was going to fit the stock holes on the Evo, but it doesn't. It only fits one. And when fitted, because it's so wide, it has to actually overhang at the back. But you know what? I don't mind. We do have a few other issues. We've got like where some paint's come off because with the old spoiler that was on, it was not put on in the best way. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head home, and when I get there, I will check in with you and talk to you through all the issues we faced today with fitting this bad boy to the car. So guys, just got home and I want to show you and talk about everything what we had go on with the car with the wing because I think it looks amazing, but like I say, we did have a few issues fitting it. Now, what I found out when I was on some forums today when we were trying to work out how this thing fits is that, like I say, these cars for the GTC 300, which is this wing, actually has to have an extra hole drilled. That's number one. Number two is all Evos on this side, so whether it's driver's or passenger side, depending on which side the wheel is on, has this weird bung only on this side. I don't know what it's for, and you can see it, but I'm not going to lie, from what I can see there right now, that tiny little bit, that's not really bothering me. I'm not really bothered. And then the other thing you do have as well is from how we've had to fit it, you do have, as you can see, a bit of overhang. And again, we've said, like, you know, we could file that and make it fit if needed. So the other thing I want to show you is not Betsy, sorry Betsy, is that on this wing, and I'll put it on the grass so we'll damage it further, but not on the plants, otherwise the missus won't be happy with me, is that basically when we took this off, they had applied a lot of sealant to the car. And if we look here on this bit where you've got this little rubber grommet, and then in here you've actually got where this bolts into, this side it's rusted or just corroded away and gone through. You can see it's obviously going there, and then where that thread's supposed to go into like it does on the other side, that one has literally just fallen in. I've obviously got my little helper here as well because he's so excited to see the car again. But the other thing is you can actually hear it. So if I'm going to pick this up and give it a little rattle, don't know if you can hear that. There we go. Hopefully you can hear that. So that means that it's all crusted and corroded and fallen through into there. So today, the issue we had was when we took it off, we couldn't put that wing back on. So I could have driven around wingless with some holes in my boot lid, which wouldn't have helped me, especially for the fact I've got to go out in the car this weekend because I've got a show. So the wing kind of had to go on. So essentially, guys, my hand was forced today. We had to fit the wing, and you know what? I think it looks great. You know, sometimes I look at them on these cars and I just think, I don't know if they work, but I'm going to go around the other side and show you. I think it looks absolutely amazing on the car. So the other thing is, this is the start of, like I say, the big parts of the build for the Evo. We've done the stuff under the engine bay. We've had a chat today about some stuff as well, potentially with the engine. We don't know what's going to happen there. We've just got to kind of work out a few things. We've obviously got the wing on, which is the first thing, but we do have a few other parts coming for the Evo in terms of the visuals and changing how it looks. So I haven't really said this at the moment, but the goal that I'm going for now with the Evo, compared to when it had the vinyl and it was a bit more of a show car, is that I'm wanting to make this car look like, I suppose, an aggressive time attack type race car. Because when I was a kid growing up playing Need for Speed, I would always have put a big wing on there, big splitter and side skirts and stuff like this. And like I say, the parts we have coming for the car are going to change how the car looks. It's just going to make it look more aggressive. And for me, I think deep down, that is the style of car that I absolutely love. Those time attack cars that just look so aggressive, you know, big aero, that sort of stuff. It's kind of what I'm going for. I'm not going to some of the level these guys do in time attack, but that's what we've started today with the wing. So I want you guys, look at him, he loves it. He absolutely loves it. But I want you guys to let me know, what do you think? Because I know it is going to be like Marmite with the wing. But tell me, what do you think? So like I say, I am absolutely chuffed. Start of the next phase of the build with the big parts going on the car. From here, look at this. Looks so good. And then you just see that big wing at the back. I just think it looks so good. But please, let me know what you think. I can't wait to show you guys the next bits we have coming for the car and just other stuff we're doing, because it's good to be back out in the Evo. I'm loving the mini stuff. And don't worry, we'll be back with that soon. We're just working out a few things in the background. But like I say, for me, the Evo today, it was great to get out in it. And look at that. I just think from this angle, it looks so good. From here, going up, seeing that big wing in the background, it looks absolutely amazing. So like I say, please let me know what you think. Be 100% honest. If you hate it, let me know. If you love it, let me know. If you think, actually, it doesn't look too bad, it's changed my mind, because I didn't used to like them and now it kind of looks good, which, like I say, I think from this angle especially, it looks amazing. So go ahead, let me know. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Keep supporting. You guys are smashing it with the subs as well. You're helping me get to that next goal, which is 2K. We'll see you in the next one very, very soon. Peace out.